Experiencing issues with SafeLink text messages? You're not alone. Many SafeLink users encounter problems with SMS, especially concerning SMSC, shortcodes, and message center settings. SafeLink, as a lifeline assistance program, sometimes faces challenges in SMS delivery due to its reliance on other carriers' networks. A key fix involves ensuring your SMSC number is correctly configured in your phone settings. For Verizon-based SafeLink, this is often +20631300004. You can usually find this setting under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, SMSC on Android devices. Also, verify your APN settings are set to TracFone or SafeLink. These steps ensure proper connection to the network for text messaging. Shortcodes are abbreviated numbers, typically 5 to 6 digits long, used for mass messaging and alerts from services like banks or government agencies. SafeLink users sometimes experience issues with receiving these texts due to carrier filtering or network routing problems. If you're not receiving shortcode texts, contact SafeLink support to ensure shortcodes are enabled on your account. You can also try restarting your device to refresh network connections and resolve temporary issues. SafeLink is transitioning to IP-based messaging like RCS, which relies less on traditional SMSC configurations and often resolves shortcode messaging issues. RCS offers more reliable delivery and advanced features compared to SMS. While legacy SMS remains critical for shortcodes today, the future points toward unified messaging platforms with end-to-end encryption. Experts predict SMS may become obsolete by 2030 as services move to more secure alternatives. To improve SMS reliability, check SafeLink's website or app for updated troubleshooting guides and possible software updates. These resources can help resolve issues and keep your messaging working smoothly.